Animoto Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Animoto Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, I'll be giving you a rundown of my experience with the Animoto Affiliate Program, diving into its features, benefits, and who would benefit from promoting it. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details or to get started. Animoto is a video creation tool that allows users to easily make professional quality videos without any prior experience. Whether you're creating marketing videos, social media content, or presentations, Animoto's drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to create eye-catching videos with just a few clicks. It comes with a large library of pre-built templates, music tracks, and customizable options, making it perfect for marketers, small businesses, and content creators who want to create high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. The Animoto Affiliate Program is designed to help affiliates earn commissions by referring new users to the platform. The program offers up to 20% commission for every subscription sold, which is pretty competitive for a video creation tool. You can promote their subscription plans or even the free trial, which allows new users to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. For those who are interested in earning some passive income, Animoto offers recurring commissions, meaning you'll continue earning as long as your referrals stay subscribed to the service. One of the best things about the Animoto Affiliate Program is the ease of promotion. You'll get access to a range of marketing assets, such as banners, links, and promotional content to help you spread the word. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, these materials will help you seamlessly integrate Animoto into your content. Plus, their easy-to-use video editor makes it a great product to promote for people in industries like digital marketing, social media management, or content creation. In conclusion, the Animoto Affiliate Program is a great choice for anyone looking to promote a versatile, easy-to-use video creation tool. With solid commission potential and valuable marketing materials, it's a great way to earn passive income while promoting a tool that can help businesses and individuals elevate their video marketing efforts. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.